I'm in a part of Chinatown where few would ever get to see. I'm inside the baking room of AA Chinese Bakery. Outside, the local enjoying their morning coffee with the freshly baked cocktail buns, pineapple buns. Here, Henry is busy filling customer orders of all kinds of cakes, birthday cakes, wedding cakes, anniversary cakes. In fact, I just ordered one cake for myself for special occasion. Wow, I can smell the wonderful aroma of this freshly baked buns right through the glass. Hey, look at the variety. To celebrate traditional Chinese festival, the AA Bakery would create all kinds of special cakes and pastry. These are my favorite, the moon cakes. They are special treats for the traditional autumn moon festival. Different shape, different size, different filling. Variety is the secret at AA Bakery. I am at Henry's bakery workshop at the back of the retail store. He's going to show us how to make moon cake. Small one, huge one for the whole family. You start it out, look at that, a lot of flour. This is going to be the dough. So the dough itself is flour, water, and brown sugar. Look at that. This is how they do it for hundreds of years. Handcraft. Now, they have all kinds of cake mold, big and small. This is small, and this is big.
That's 7-inch.
7-inch, you can do eight yolks here.
Eggs.
This is salted duck egg yolk, and it has a very, very reddish color, very aromatic, and a lot of times they use it for crab, for lobster, for shrimp, and also fried rice. Very flavorful. Look at that. Hey, look at this.
So a little bigger.
I have never seen so much filling in one single mooncake. Flour. This is how they've been doing for hundreds of years, the cake mold.
So why not we not do it now?
Press.
Press. Hey,
You are perfect. You are the master. 40 years of experience.
Okay.
Pressing the done mooncake for 40 years.
That. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Three.
1, 2, 3.
Look at that. Now, this is the before it's baked, and after this is baked. This is how it looks. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? This is before and after. And then they have the fish mold. The fish mold. This is the fish. And then this is the fish mold. Look at that. And then this is how you do it. You see? And then they also have the year of the bull. This is year of the bull mold. Look at that. So you can literally make this in all kinds of shapes and sizes. Unlike the neighborhood restaurants, the bakeries in Chinatown are really feeding the entire neighborhood day after day. And they do it one bun and one cup of coffee at a time. In a way, the bakers are baking for their extended families. Many of my good friends who grew up in Chinatown, but since left and moved away, they would always come back here just to pick up half a dozen of buns. Maybe the Chinese bakeries in their new neighborhood do not offer the same buns or the same history. Whoa, look at this.
That's a special craving for you.
Whoa, wow, beautiful. Work of art, a masterpiece. Look at that, my Chinatown.